Without any camera, without any microphone, and without any explicit permission, your phone knows who are you are near and how you are moving around. And the sole reason for this single settings is currently turned on in your phone. Follow these few steps and we will turn it off together. Inside your phone there is a section called Google Play Service, where a settings is silently running in the background. And the scariest part, on most phones this settings is turned on by default. Now pay close attention to how we turn off these settings. First of all, open the settings app. Once the settings menu is open, scroll down slowly and locate at the Google option. Tap on them to open it. Then select the All Services tab. Next, scroll down and go to Connection, Devices and Sharing section. Now tap on the Devices option. Here you will see an option like Scan for nearby devices, Devices connection or connection level signals. Turn it off immediately. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your Android version or phone brand, such as Samsung, Xiaomi and more. What changes after doing this? The amount of signals shared from your phone is reduced. Indirect tracking is disabled. You must turn off a setting that most people don't even know exists. It's a small step, but it will make a massive impact on your privacy. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel Fix Your Apps.